I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. I've been wanting to add this particular accessory to the studio itinerary for quite some time, and here we are now. Okay, so it's the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what comes in the box. Right, so this is a little tag here. Let's just strip that and then open the box like that. Okay, so we have this little pouch, the storage pack basically with a DJI. So that's not coming off. Let's start with this one. So in here we have it seems here we have a type C to type C cable. We have another type C to type C cable. This particular one is used for phone charging and microphone audio. And then you have this magnetic phone clamp. This is what you use to clamp to the phone. And then you have this little sensor. It's called the DJI OM multifunctional module, and I'll be showing you how to use this in subsequent videos. Okay, so we have these little connectors, we have the sensor itself, the light, all that. Okay, so that's what comes in that little box. Put that away, and then you have the gimbal itself in its carrying case or bag. They call it the storage pack. There you go. So there's the gimbal itself. Feels very sturdy and high quality. All the buttons feel very tactile. And then you have some documentation here. Some QR codes to scan. We have what I think is the quick start guide. Yes, basically your usual electronic documentation, and it seems that is it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything to the side. We have the carrying case, we have the multifunctional module, we have the gimbal itself, we have the phone clamp, these two cables here. This is a type C to type C cable, like I said, and this is also a type C to type C cable with different shapes. And of course, I'll be making subsequent videos, like I mentioned, on how to use all the features in separate videos. I'll create a whole playlist for this, so make sure you stay subscribed, and good luck.